this is Sharifa Just Nailed It, and we are here today with some friend mail. I've got a package here from Artsifartsinailz. Go check her channel out and tell her I sent you and say hello. Give her a subscribe and a whirl and see what you like. She sent me a care package. Not a care package, it's friend mail, but I started doing Mask Monday, and I think, oh shoot. It's taped on the side. She's got this thing taped up like Fort Knox, let me tell you. Like Fort Knox. Let's see if I get the rest of this over here. Ah, there we go. There we go. Let me see if I can share my card with you. Don't worry, be happy. Sending you this Valentine card with lots of love in every line. Aww, that was so very sweet of her. Okay, so we're gonna dive in. Oh my goodness, look at these. Oh my gosh, look at those. Oh, thank you so very much, hon. I'm gonna have great fun playing with the. Oh, look, they're all different colors. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun playing with those. Oh, we got pink ones too. Ha 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 ha. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, look, there's a cupcake sticker inside. That is so cute. Let's see what is in the pouch. Okay, we have got the glitter mix, and please don't let me spell it. Oh, is that really pretty? I need to put my eyeglasses on to see this really good. Oh, is that pretty? I can't tell what all shapes are in there. I know there's hexagons. Looks like there's some tinsel in there. That is so pretty. Please don't let me spell it. The lid won't go on right. There we go. There we go. Here's number one. Number two. Aw, look at this. I like this. I don't know if these are circles, hexagons, hearts. Oh. Maybe both. Maybe all of it. But that is so pretty. Hope to God I'm in frame. Last but not least, we've got some Fimos. Love Fimos. We got some fruit Fimos. We have got the limes and the strawberries and the watermelon and apples and what's the blue ones? I don't know what the blue ones are. Maybe red. Well, no, they could be that. I don't know. I don't know what the blue ones are. Whatever, that is so cool. So now, she sent me some face things to keep me in stock. Well, this is not for my face. Fashion gems. Oh my goodness. Look at these. Oh, they come with glue. Oh, you can put these everywhere. Oh, maybe on my phone. You never know. You never know. Okay, we have got, ooh, Buddy. Here's the other box. We have got some face masks and stuff. We have got Aquabella, a Bath and Beauty Hydrating Pineapple Peel-Off Mask with uplifting pineapple extracts and hydrating hydraulic acids. Alright, let me move these over here. Dew of the Gods. Oh, I can't see this. What flavor is this? Oh, here's the front of it. Tahitian. Dewy Collagen Face Primer. I'm a little confused. It's a face primer. What is there directions? Tammy, how do you use this, honey? A collagen face primer. I don't know how to use this. Please get with me on this. Okay. Vita Benjamin. A little bit of I Love Lucy. It's Vita Masks. I like my interpretation better. Plump Collagen Peach Mask over 90% natural sheet mask. Oh, that's going to be kind of cool. Made with vegan collagen, 6 types of hydraulic acids, square lane, and peach. Peach. Vegan friendly, fragrance free. Aww. I don't want it to be fragrance free. I want to smell it. Probiotic and adaptogenic. 1 mask. Cruelty-free and clean formula. See all things that it's free from, the directions of use, cautions, and ingredients. Next we have got Vitamin Regimen Super Cactus Glow Facial. Oh. 3-step facial includes cleanser, sheet mask, and moisturizer. Whoops, this is step 2. Which is what? Super Cactus Glow Facial. Apply to clean dry face, leave out for 20 minutes. Okay, this is the mask. Glow Facial Mask. Alright. Alright. Oh, I'm running out of room. And last, we have got the Cream Shop 3-piece set rainbow mask. Ooh, cranberry, papaya extract, vitamin C, avocado oil, hydraulic acid, blueberry extract, and retinol. Maximum love for your skin. Essence mask with printed hearts. Aww. That's gonna be too cute. Made in Korea, bright, dewy, youthful, bouncy, and healthy skin. Oh my god. Got your directions and all your flavors. Oh my goodness. Let's see if we can open this without ripping the box. I succeeded. Rainbow mask. Oh my god, I can't wait to try these. I mean, I can't wait to try them all, but those are going to be kind of fun. Okay, this is my friend mail for today. From Artsifartsinailz. If I remember, I'm going to put her link in the description box. Or, you know, she'll be in my comments. You can find her there. Artsifartsinailz will be in my comments. So, Tammy, I thank you so very much. This really, truly came at a great time because, just because she knows what's going on. I asked for some prayers. God knows. So I'm just going to leave it at that. Thank you so very much for my gifts. I greatly appreciate you and everything that you do. I appreciate your channel. I'm so glad we got to know each other, or getting to know each other more, and we have become friends. So, girlfriend, I thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart. Have a blessed day, everyone. Thank you.